hold still.
What are you doing, baby?
Going out.
Going where?
Something I forgot to do, but I'll be back.
Just how dangerous?
Compared to what? The bubonic plague?
I've seen it.
You've seen him. Man, you're not dead.
So this guy's supposed to be the ultimate badass?
No, I don't think that's how I'd describe him.
How would you describe him?
I guess I'd say he doesn't have a sense of humor. His name's Chigurh.
Sure.
Chigurh. 8 times Chigurh. You have any idea how crazy he is?
In the nature of this conversation.
In the nature of you.